Today's topic is rules or general guidelines for providing doors and window in a building. Doors and window. A door may be defined as an openable barrier secured in a wall opening. A door is provided to give as access to the inside of a room of a building. Basically, a door or window consists of two parts. First is door frame and second is door shutter. Door frame holds the door shutter. A window is also a vented barrier secured in a wall opening. The function of the window is to admit light and air to the building and to give a view to the outside. Window must also provide insulation against heat loss. A window also consists of two parts. First is window frame secured to the wall opening with the help of hold fast. And second is window shutters, just like a door. Window shutters held in position by the window frame. Location of doors and window in a building. The following points should be kept in view while locating doors and windows. First, the number of doors in a room should be kept minimum as soon as possible. Since large number of doors cause obstruction and consume more area in circulation. So problem of area, floor area. Second point is it should not be located in the center of the length of a wall. A door should preferably be located near the corner of a room, nearly 20 centimeters away from the corner. Third guideline, if there are two doors in a room, the doors should preferably be located in opposite walls facing each other so as to provide good ventilation and free air circulation in the rooms. Fourth rule is the size and number of windows should be decided on the basis of important factors such as distribution of light, control of ventilation, and providing and privacy of the occupants. This is this rule for window. Fifth point is the location of a window should also meet the functional requirement of the room, such as interior decoration, arrangement of furniture, etc. Sixth is a window should be located in opposite wall facing a door or another window so that cross ventilation is achieved. This is the important point for proper ventilation or natural ventilation, because natural ventilation is done is through the window and other mode is artificial or mechanical mode of ventilation. This is the discussed in another lecture. Seventh point is from the point of view of fresh air, a window should be located on the northern side of a room. And next point is from the point of view of fresh air, a window should be located in the prevalent direction of wind or wind blowing direction on most of the time in a year. The sill of a window, sill is not in a door, the sill of a window should be located about, sill means bottom horizontal part of a window. The sill of a window should be located about 70 to 80 centimeter from floor level of the room. These are the some rules or general guidelines for door and window providing in building. Definition of some technical terms related to door and window. The following are the technical terms applied to door and window. First is frame. It is an assembly of horizontal and vertical members forming an enclosure to which the shutters are fixed. Shutters are fixed in frame. Second, shutters. These are the openable parts of a door or window. Third is head. This is the top or uppermost horizontal part of a frame. Fourth is sill. This is the lowermost or bottom horizontal part of window frame. Sill is not in door, it is the part of the window. Fifth is horn. These are the horizontal projection of the head and sill of a frame to facilitate the fixing of the frame on the wall opening. Sixth term is stile. Stile is the vertical outside member of the shutter of a door or window. And some terms, top rail, it is the framed and paneled door. This is the topmost horizontal member of a shutter. Lock rail, this is the middle horizontal member of a door shutter to which locking arrangement is fixed. Bottom rail, this is the lowermost horizontal member of a shutter. And other rails are known as intermediate rails. Panel is present in panel door. This is the area of shutter enclosed between the adjacent rails. This is the sketch of framed and panel type of door. This is the uppermost part of the frame. This is the head and projected part on walls. This is the horn, 10 to 15 centimeter. This is the top rail. This is the lock rail. This is the bottom rail. This is frame. This vertical portion, right side and left side, this vertical portion, and these all are frame. This vertical portion of the shutter and this vertical portion of the shutter, it is called stile, and this is panel. And these are the hold fast, made by iron. This is the hold fast. And this is sill in bottom horizontal part of the window. This is sill. Now, size of doors. The size of doors should be such that it would allows the movement of largest object or tallest person likely to use the door. The width of the door should be such that two persons can pass through it walking shoulders to shoulders. Means simultaneously two persons are enter in the room. The common width and height relation used in India is the general thumb rule. Width is equal to 0.4 to 0.6 height, and height is equal to width plus 1.2 meters. The following are the general adopted sizes of doors for various types of buildings. Door size depend on the type of building, whether the building is residential or public. So doors of residential buildings, first external door size 1 meter width into 2 meter height to 1.1 meter to 2 meter. First dimension for width and second is for height. Internal doors are sizes 0.9 meter width into 2 meter height to 1.2 meter, 1 meter width to 2 meter height. And doors for bathrooms and water closets 0.7 meter width into 2 meter height to 0.8 meter width to into 2 meter height. These are the some general sizes of doors in used in residential buildings. And fourth is garage for cars, 2.2 meter height into 2.25 meter width to 2.25 meter height into 2.4 meter width. These are the sizes for garages. And second type of building is public buildings. Public buildings such as school, hospitals, libraries, etc. In these buildings, general sizes of doors are 1.2 meter width into 2 meter height. Second size is 1.2 meter width into 2.1 meter height and 1.2 meter width into 2.25 meter height. These are the some sizes of door. So this is the general description of door and windows in a building and general guidelines for doors and windows. Thank you.